And the trial of ex-Mungiki leader Maina Njenga has kicked off at the Nakuru Law Courts. Two witnesses took to the stand, but one of them, Maina Njenga's mother-in-law, who was set to testify against him, collapsed. Njenga has pleaded not guilty to 7 charges preferred against him, among them being a member of an outlawed group planning criminal activities, among others. NTV's Ruth Samwe was in court and now reports.
The 3-day hearing of the case against Azimio coalition leader Maina Njenga and 11 others began with an application to have the trial put on hold after the defense accused the state of turning some of the accused persons into witnesses contrary to the law.
Consequent that, I direct that the trial hearing proceeds as scheduled.
The application was, however, dismissed by Nakuru Principal Magistrate Kipkurui Kibelion. Njenga's mother-in-law, Hannah Njoroge, was the first witness to take to the stand. She, however, collapsed before she could finish taking the oath in order to testify. The court was forced to adjourn, and upon its return, Police Constable Eric Wainaina, who was among the 20 officers who raided Njenga's home on 12 May 2023, took to the stand to testify. Wainaina showcased confiscated exhibits, among them a pistol, tobacco, 96 rolls of suspected cannabis sativa, tens of walking sticks, Kenya's national flag, and clubs. The defense lawyers, however, poked holes into his testimony.
Can you see some serial numbers?
Yes.
Yes, what serial numbers are there?
YK
351. Look at your inventory. Is your inventory describing the recovery of a pistol?
Yes.
What does the inventory say?
One pistol, serial number, invisible.
Serial number?
Invisible.
Thank you.
Wainaina was unable to explain how some of the items recovered in the home of the accused could link them to Mungiki, as read in the charge sheet.
Do you have a certificate issued therefrom, signifying that this is 1 kg of tobacco?
I do not have that.
You don't have it. Where was it recovered from? Who among the 12 accused persons bore that tobacco?
Now that I'm not.
Who among the 12 was in possession of this tobacco?
I do not know.
You do not know. Did you ever see any of them sniffing the tobacco?
No, I did not see one.
Did you carry out a toxicological report on their content to see whether they smoke tobacco?
No, I didn't.
Did you do any toxicological report?
No.
How then do you connect this with Mungiki?
As I said earlier.
From your knowledge, correct?
My knowledge, yes.
So what else led you to identify that these are members of the Mungiki? The ingredients, the identification. You have the tobacco, you have the gun. What else?
Njenga is being charged of engaging in organized crime and planning criminal activities in his house in Wanyororo, Nakuru North, but Wainaina could not provide documents showcasing Njenga as the owner of the said property. Documents provided by Njenga's defense, however, showed that the land was owned by Hannah Njoki Mukunga, Njenga's mother-in-law, and shared equally with her children. The hearing of this case will continue on Tuesday, where more witnesses are expected to testify. More than 40 witnesses have been lined up to testify in this case. Ruth Samwe, NTV in Nakuru.